Oh, also, I had some M&Ms before the stream, and I went and got them, and then I sneezed literally not even a nanosecond after I picked up a little handful of M&Ms. I blew snot all over them. It was one of those sneezes that sneaks up on you out of nowhere. Like, I didn't even, like, charge it up. I just... Oh, M&Ms! Achoo! Okay, that charged up anyway. I meant, like, oh, how is it? Oh, M&Ms! Achoo! Anyway, what I'm trying to say is I didn't have the reflex time to hold my hand away, so I literally sneezed right into my hand, all of my M&Ms. Yes, I did still eat them. You still ate them, didn't you? Yeah. Yeah, I did. Girls, ew! You say ew. It's all going to the same place. Seasoning, exactly. My seasoning, yummy.